Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 1 and 3, Your Honor.
Yes, 1 and 3.
1 and 3, Your Lordship. In this matter, I do not have the files, Your Lordship. I do not have the files, Your Lordship.
Today we know the Guwahati situation is not that good. Our two brothers will not able to come to the court, waterlogging. So
After vacation, oblige, sir.
May it please your lordships. Lordships, item number 4, my lord. This matter is of 2019. This matter came up only once, my lord, and thereafter matter was not listed. I have no instruction at all, my lord, regarding the petitioner, whether he is in the detention camp or whether he is alive. I have to take some instructions, my lord. It may kindly be listed after vacation, my lord.
yes,
Oblige, my
Yes,
lord.
Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 15, my lord. Lordship, in this case, my lord, learned senior counsel Mr. B.C. Das is not well, my lord.
1-5.
1-5, my lord. Leave the matter after 1 week, my lord.
Leading counsel, Mr. Yesterday about that leading counsel, Mr. B.C. Das in this court. Counsel for the petition matter be listed. Arranging the petition and date to be experienced. Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, I beg to mention item
Just a
number
minute, just a minute. 1 and 3. In the priority counsel for the petition. 4. 1, 3, 4.
item number 38, Lordship.
3-8.
Yes, Lordship. 38.
What's your
Due
prayer?
to water logging problem, Lordship, my senior couldn't come to the High Court, Lordship. So,
Senior, please.
matter may please
Because of the bad weather.
after vacation, Lordship.
Most of the areas, Guwahati is submerged. Is that it? We will be able to end the photo. No, record will say.
Oblige.
May I please your lordship. Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 17, lordship.
1-7.
1-7, lordship. We have submitted a mention memo yesterday, lordship. So matter will be adjourned, lordship. First, lordship.
I'd like to mention item number 35.
35.
35.
What's your prayer?
It's a legal aid matter. The petitioner was asked to produce the voter list of 1971, 77, 85, and 97. The petitioner is a 81-year-old lady, my lord.
What's your good name?
W. Wachir Ahmed.
Who is appearing? Mr. B. Chaudhary?
B. Chaudhary is appearing on behalf of B. Chaudhary.
So you are to obtain instruction from the petitioner.
Yes, it's been very difficult to communicate with her, so we need more.
Do you have any communication number, anything?
Yes, we have, but
Are you communicating with him?
yes, madam.
When do you want?
After the vacation, madam.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 27, lordship, adjourned for the day, lordship. List after vacation, lordship. Deeply obliged.
May I be your lordship. I'd like to mention item number 37, lordship. Lordship, in this case, lordship.
7.
Lordship.
Okay, yes.
In this case, lordship, I have to submit quota list, lordship. I have applied, lordship. Lordship, it is not collected yet. Lordship, kindly after vacation, lordship. Lovely.
No representation on behalf of the petitioner and call. Most of the part of the Guwahati is submerged. Maybe the council would not appear. Pardon, Mr. J. Pine, standing counsel from department. For the respondent numbers. P. Sharma, Government Advocate Assam for the respondent. List of tradition. Really, I think so. In kidney transplantation, kidney transplantation with our Martin. Mr. Sarkar,
In this case, the IRS declared to the foreigners post 71 standards. Only on the grounds that the petitioners in his deposition, he did not mention that enters Assam due to the civil disturbance. Whereas, see the page 56, my lords. Inquiry officers report, my lords. Translated. 56, my lord, translated. The person being the foreigners, the privacy appears to have been enters Assam, India within the period of 66 and 71 from the specific territory, Bangladesh.
Mr. Pine,
My lord,
that notification came when
my lord,
those who have left East Pakistan and others. Of the
Yes,
religious
that is-
persecution and others.
2017.
Some amendments were made, 2015 or something like it, right?
2017.
If it is a fact in 2017, in that case, what will happen to those persons who have been considered as foreigner on that basis?
My lord,
They can take the recourse of that notification of 2017.
yes. Those, there is a, my lord, as per that notification, it is 31st December 2014 is the last day. Those who have come up to 31st December 2014.
1/4.
Yes, no,
Uh,
those, my lord, they will get the benefit under that.
Mr. Sarkar,
Yes, my lord.
I think you should stand your prayer because what happens was the tribunal
Yes, my
did
lord.
not believe because though it has come in the religious persecution but entered Tripura and from Tripura it has come to Assam.
Yes,
We have seen many such cases, but probably
yes, my lord, I have.
the petitioner can get the advantage of the amendment of 2017. You think over and submit it after vacation, I think so.
Yes, yes,
Because unless you make that prayer, you cannot able to, because that is not there before the tribunal at that stage,
yes, my lord.
right?
Yes,
You rethink and go to that provision and tell us on the next date, right?
yes,
Okay. Because in his statement, written statement, it is very clear that because of the religious
written
persecution
statement clear.
from East Pakistan entered into Tripura.
Yes,
Thereafter came in Assam.
yes.
List after answering puja vacation on the prayer of researcher, enabling him to submit the amendment provisions of the Citizenship Act with regard to the people who left East Pakistan / Bangladesh because of religious persecution. On or before December 2014?
December 2014.
Mr. Pine, this A. Ali is probably suffering from his kidney problem.
kidney
He was
problem.
transplanted and he left for Chennai again. Before leaving, while he was suffering, after his transplantation, he came to me. He told me that he couldn't appear in numbers of cases he had. That's all his cases.
May I please Lordship? Lordship, kindly pass over the measure for the day.
Yes, Mr. Vishwas.
Yes, my lord. This is a contested case, my lord. I take your lordship. The first page is
Page 22.
page 22, my lord. This is the voter list of
1965.
his father, my lord, 1965.
Where is the link document?
Link document, my lord.
School transfer certificate.
School transfer certificate, page
Will not be
28.
considered. How can a school certificate can have a emblem of the country?
No, that is the matter of the
No, no,
headmaster.
no, no,
That is the matter of the headmaster, my lord.
No, 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 cannot have.
They cannot have, that's true. I also
That is-
agree with your
That
lordship, my lord.
Everybody will get it like this, so.
Yes, yes, my lord. Even nowadays, what happened, my lord? Panchayat member, even in one case, I found that Bar Council member of Delhi, he has a visiting card with the emblem of this my lord.
That as per the law laid down by this court. and a court
Yes,
of
yes,
this
in one
court, this
case-
cannot be considered as a link document.
Now, my lord, I am not at fault, my lord. I am to show your lordship
Now, just tell us.
link, my lord.
Whether the documents, whether the concerned headmaster of the school gave evidence before the tribunal or not. Not.
He has not given, but I have in my evidence, I have stated.
Stating will not do.
Yes, that is
It
true.
The proceeding who has to produce this person as a witness, whether the folio of this particular certificate and the register of the school has been produced before the tribunal or not.
It was produced.
Which one?
The school certificate.
Certificate, the folio. The
Oh, folio.
attendance is,
No, no, in my evidence, my lord, I stated that this is my school certificate.
not do
The folio was not produced, my lord.
then person should have proved that with the.
Mother has come and deposed, my lord.
The issuing authority.
Yes.
Father can be, you know very well, nothing much to explain from this court. You know very well.
The mother has come and said she is my
Father,
son.
mother, sister, brother, all be taken on rent. You know what happened in NRC, right? Nothing much to hide. It's well known. So we are not on that. Now, if you are asking for this particular certificate,
Yes,
whether the headmaster of the school,
yes. But your lordship can call for a report also.
why should we?
May examine, my
We will
lord.
not call for it. This is such a right. Why should we?
My honorable court has earlier done it, my lord. The report was called for, my lord, whether this certificate is genuine or not.
না আগে 5 বছর হয়েছিল না কোনো প্রশ্ন পড়া নাই
After vacation. দুটো আছে না ইউনিভার্সিটি আইছে নাকি মাতিবা
Mr. Biswas, Mr. Payag. Note down 2010 13 SCC 336. Para 28. You have noticed
13 SCC, my lord.
13 SCC 336 para 28. 336. Sanklal Gupta versus Modern Cooperative Group Housing Society Limited. 10, 2010.
2008, 13 SCC.
2008.
It's a, they have considered the power of the quasi judicial tribunals. Then the role of the High Court under Article 226, exercising the power under certiorari right.
Yes.
Right. We have noticed some orders have been passed here and there in exercising the power under Article 226, but not because we are sitting here under to exercise the power under certiorari right. We cannot go beyond because that is the constitutional provision.
Yes.
Right. Had it been an appeal or something, we could have mold a relief or do something. But here absolutely we are in the supervisory powers.
Exactly.
And since we are in the supervisory powers, we do not have certain things in our hand. Go beyond that
Exactly,
scope,
exactly.
right? So if we do not see any violation of any such rules, procedure or legality, will not interfere with the findings of the tribunal. Got it?
Yes.
There, the judgment passed by the Honorable Supreme Court have considered, and that is why at para 28, the role of the High Court that was been specified, how to exercise that supervisory power. Now, here is a case, the burden was on the proceeding. The link document is the school certificate. Let us forget that school certificate because of the emblem is correct or wrong. We're not on
Yes, yes.
at this stage. But the duty was on the proceeding, not by producing the certificate, but giving the evidence of the issuing authority
To
who was supposed to bring in the folio
Record
of
and
that
headmaster.
particular certificate as well as the attendant, the admission register. You can get this kind of certificate, thousands and lakhs of this available everywhere.
I also
Right.
agree with you, Lordship.
So
Unless it is proved, my lord, that is true.
then you know the result. Even if we call for the records, it won't go change anything anyway. If you can show us anything, any law laid down by the Honorable Apex Court while exercising the power of certiorari, we can mold this relief, sending better to the go to give you fresh evidence. We don't think so. That's not your case. And that's why section 9.
My lord,
We understand.
all problem.
That's the problem with this. That is the difficulty. That's the difficulty. Had it been, not in exercise of the power certiorari, we would have given you we could have molded relief. Where is our power? Ask your colleague to go through the DD Basus book on certiorari.
Yes, yes.
You will realize how the hands of the courts are,
Tight, exactly.
beyond that we cannot go. Had it been other edits, yes.
Yes, yeah.
Is there anything, any other document to show that you have proved before the tribunal?
Father, mother,
The only thing is the link document, right?
father, mother, voter list is there, continuity.
But that has to be a voter list where the name of the proceeding together with father, mother.
Proceedings name is not there.
Definitely. Mr. Pine, that day you have placed a particular judgment by just producing a document wouldn't be enough. It has to be proved by the issuing authority and all that.
Number,
And secondly, also that day you have made a submission that the mother of the proceedee deposed before the tribunal, that she is my daughter. Even that is not enough.
That's-
There is a judgment.
without
Can you-
probating documents,
Right.
my lord.
Where is that?
It is there, my lord. My lord, first of all, your lordship made regarding certiorari. My lord, the this honorable court in the full bench, my lord, in para 112 and 113 is clearly say Muslim Mandal. My lord, this is accepted that we have the certiorari jurisdiction of this. We cannot go beyond the record of the my lord tribunal. So this is clear, 112 and 113. 113, your lordship, that referred that your lordship judgment 2010-13 SCC 336. My lord. This judgment has been referred. Under what conditions certiorari can be used?
112 and 113, right?
Yes, ma'am. 112 and 113. This 112, my lord, may I read for the 112, what says? Article 226 of the Constitution confers on the High Court power to issue appropriate writ to any person or authority within its territorial jurisdiction. The tribunal, the Coroner's Tribunal, constituted under the Act 1946 Act, read with the Order 1964, as noticed above, is required to discharge the quasi-judicial function. This is clear. The High Court therefore has the power under 226 of the Constitution of India to issue writ of certiorari, quashing the decision of the tribunal in an appropriate case. In an appropriate case, the scope of interference in the tribunal's order in exercise of jurisdiction under Article 226, however, is limited. The writ of certiorari can be issued for correcting errors of jurisdiction as and when the inferior court or tribunal acts without jurisdiction or in exercise of it, or fails to exercise it, or if such court or tribunal acts illegally in exercise of its undoubted jurisdiction, or when it decides without giving an opportunity to the parties to be heard, or violates the principle of natural justice. The certiorari of the writ court being supervisory and not appellate jurisdiction, the court cannot review the findings of reached by the inferior court or tribunal. There is, however, an exception to the said general proposition is as much as the writ of certiorari can be issued and the decision of tribunal on findings of the fact can be interfered with, if in recording such findings, the tribunal has acted on evidence which is legally inadmissible or has refused to admit the admissible evidence, or if the finding is not supported by on any evidence at all. Because in such cases, such error would amount to an error of law apparent on the face of the record. The other errors of fact, however grave it may be, cannot be corrected by writ court. As noticed above, the judicial review of the order passed by the inferior court of the tribunal in exercise of jurisdiction under 226 of the Constitution is limited to correction of error apparent on the face of the record, which is also takes within its fold a case where a statutory authority exercising discretionary jurisdiction did not take into consideration or relevant factor renders its decision on wholly irrelevant factors. Hence, the failure of taking into account the relevant facts or consideration of irrelevant facts, which has a bearing on the decision of the inferior court or tribunal, can be ground for interference. So that is the law laid down by this full bench of this honorable court with regard to foreigners tribunal. Then, my lord, your lordship, the Santalal Gupta has been that judgment has been, my lord, quoted in 113.
Yes, Mr. Biswas, tell us.
I leave it to your lordship.
Not leave it to us. You have anything else? You go through.
In that event, I also pray that if your lordship allow me to add or adduce evidence in court below, if your lordship can demand back the matter.
For what?
To adduce evidence matter.
That is not your plea.
My lord, I relied yesterday, my lord, principle of natural justice cannot be banned so much extent.
But our High Court has done in many cases, remanded the cases matter, many cases matter.
That cannot be taken as a precedent, my lord. In some cases, in the fact of facts, it can be remanded. It may have remanded, but not in all cases, my lord.
And most of the victims are the,
And during those cases, my lord, these provisions were not considered.
Come back to us. We're going to that judgment at para 28. And the subsequent judgments of the Supreme Court with regard to the exercising the power of certiorari. Establish that yes, the court can, but there is a condition.
let
There
me
is a
study
condition. Only when the court can exercise that power. In every cases of certiorari equity, you'll see the only when. There are certain grounds, 4 grounds are there, only when the court can pass. Because the strict art on exercising the power of appellate court, this power on the certiorari court is not to act as an appellate court.
Yes.
That is the reason, you cannot act as an appellate court. So, find out. When, give us a date.
After vacation.
After vacation. Okay.
My lord, in this case, my lord, if your lordship, item 10, my lord, I have, this morning I have come to know that many of the documents she is having. So may I be permitted to file an additional affidavit? He is having a NRC.
Not placed before the tribunal,
It is placed.
not discussed. In the-
No discussion.
But whether we are exhibiting. Not exhibiting.
Kindly allow me to, my lord, kindly peruse the documents and the evidence I have got, my lord.
Mr. Parag,
My
in
lord.
such circumstances, what will happen? Basically, you see, most of the proceedings that you know are, may not be having such knowledge. And what we have also noticed, that they rely upon the councils, and the councils, as you know, doing their different ways.
My lord,
If
as
there are certain documents which are not exhibited, they can prefer a review.
no, my because my lord, as your lordship has already seen, this noble court is exercising certiorari jurisdiction. We cannot go for a new evidence in this. We cannot take new evidence, whatever is
No,
there.
if the proceeding,
If
if
my
the
lord,
proceeding approaches the tribunal,
my lord, if they have, my lord, even after due diligence, they could not produce those documents. There is definitely a provision for review, my lord. There is provision for review. Yes.
Review rejected.
The-
Review also rejected in this case.
for the reason,
No, till today I could not get a certified copy of the, they said the file is missing. That also I have annexed.
review order of condition for an. Okay, because we have not issued any notice to that, we have not called for the record. If you have anything, you file it.
Sure. After vacation.
Yes, Mr. Asim, kindly pass about the matter for time being.
Time being, ma'am.
Adjourn the matter for today. That's it.
Just a minute.
facility. আমার মরে না রিপোর্ট দিয়েছি Huriana si Federico los mati votare no ricordo step ছিল না রিপোর্ট স্টেপ দেখা যায় প্রফেশনাল স্টেপ সাইজ দেখা ও টেস্ট করলো নহলে তাৰপিছত নহলে দস্ত সার্ভিস Yeah, yeah, 2006.
What's your good name? Oh, Mr. Sheikh is here.
My lord.
Not Mr. and Mrs. Councillor Carey for the petition. Whether the procedure is in custody,
My lord.
whether the procedure has been taken into custody,
No, my lord.
where you have stated.
My lord, I'm taking a bit time, my lord.
Coordinate the analysis as well as yes. Also heard. These are standing council. 3, 2 and 3. Some person number 4. Say,
I'm sorry, my lord, that statement was not there. It is be relied on my oral statement before your lordship that I am
it's
outside.
long back 2018.
My lord. That is my
Any reference being
information.
made by the Superintendent of Police Border Valparaiso. Under the Police Tribunal, under by reference number 431-38 public 37. The landed Furnace Tribunal number 5 at Valparaiso in F.T. case number F.T. public 5 public 213 public MO public 16. By opinion dated 19/05/2018. When the petition foreigners were entered in the territory of India, some illegally on or after 25/03/1971. We agree with the same. The petitioner has filed this petition on 04/10/2019. It is seen that the petitioner did not state as to whether He has been taken into custody or not. He hasn't been taken into custody as on date. Will appear before the Superintendent of Police Border, Valpara, on or before October. Honorary clearance and also maintain that if she's in custody. Pertaining to the sale of period dated 19/05/2018, passed in FT case number such and such, passed by learned member for an tribunal number 5 at Valpara. Will be released on bail. Not to deport. Body condition. Valpara has- And I get the petition. It is seen that on the earlier occasion, on the previous occasion, on 06/05/2020, the petitioner remain under.
I please, your lordship.
Yes, Mr. Sakra.
My lord, the petitioner's name is Hanif Ali. Father name is my lord Khurshid Ali. On two earlier occasions, my lord, sometimes in the year 2012 and in the year 2013, 16, two cases were filed against my father, wherein my father was held to be not a foreigner.
13
And my lord, no, item 14, no? Item 14. Sorry.
1313.
Sorry, my lord. At the right time. So, my lord, if I can take your lordship to page number 32 to 34. Because my grandfather's name was there in the voter list of 1966. His name was Arab Ali, my lord. His name is appearing in the voter list of 1966 as page number 26 and 27. And my father was the son of Arab Ali. Arab Ali. His name was my lord Khurshid. And against Khurshid, my lord, at two occasions, two different proceedings were launched. One is my lord LFT case number 355 D/2011, and the other is LFT case number 2070/2011. And in both the cases, I was found to be Indian, and I am his son, my lord. Now, the only mistake is the spelling mistake, Khurshid Ali or Khushed Ali.
Adversary counsel appearing for the petition. And I'm a L.W. Leonard CCC. The Standing Council State Coordinator and RC Assam for response number 1 and 6. So heard Mr. Z. Sharma, Standing Council Home Department, the state for response numbers 2, 4. P. Sharma, Government Advocate Assam for response number 3. Mr. Yaya Ali, Standing Council, Election Commission of India for response number 5. On being referred by the Superintendent of Police Border, Lakhimpur, not Lakhimpur. The Foreigners Tribunal, learned member, Foreigners Tribunal, Lakhimpur first, not Lakhimpur. In Lakhimpur, FT first, D case number first two, within bracket, D within bracket. Case number 1513/2011, within bracket clickable. This number DIST number NBA 118 within bracket clickable. But even final order / opinion dated 29/06/2019 opines the petitioner to be a foreigner who entered India within bracket Assam illegally from the specified territory of Bangladesh on or after 25/03/1971. Being agreed with the said opinion, the petitioner has filed this petition on 13/11/2019. It is contended by the petitioner that though the Foreigners Tribunal first Lakhimpur first Lakhimpur, not Lakhimpur, in by its opinion, by its final order. First in LFT case number 355 within bracket capital D oblique 11. Dated 21/01/2012, as well as the order that is 01/02/2016 passed in Lakhimpur FT-1 case number 2070/2011, declared his father Muhammad Khurshid Ali as an Indian citizen and not a foreigner within the meaning of Foreigners Act 1946. But the learned tribunal first Lakhimpur, not Lakhimpur, in its opinion dated 29/06/2019, rejected those findings of the tribunal, said tribunal passed earlier, pertaining to his father, said father. The petitioner also stated that his name, along with his father, was recorded in the voter list of 1997. Voter list of 2019, sorry. Certified copy of the same was produced before the said tribunal as exhibit 3. And in spite of all this, the said tribunal, by the Indian opinion dated 29/06/2019, considered him to be a foreigner of post 25/03/1971. Sulun, call for the records. Also call for the records of LFT case number. Lakhimpur FP-1 case number 2070/2011. Proceeding Mohammad Khurshid Ali. Mr. Satta, please take your seat. 2011. Decided by 21/01/2012, as well as the reports of Lakhimpur FP-1 case number 2070/2011. Decided on 01/02/2016 by the Foreigners Tribunal, first Lakhimpur, not Lakhimpur. The decision is this matter. Where you have stated that you have not been taken into custody,
My lord,
where you have stated that you have not been taken into custody,
I have not been taken into custody, my lord.
where you have stated,
Yes, my lord, just I'm.
this is since 2019.
At that time, my lord, I was not taken into custody, and as of date, my lord, I have taken into custody, my lord.
As on date, where are you? There is no mention here.
I am in Sumani village, same village, my lord.
There is no mention. In the petition. After the imperial opinion dated 29/06/2019. No, the council for the petitioner could place anything about the petitioner's present status. Already. Appear before the SP border, Lakhimpur, on or before 18th.
Right, my lord.
May I beg your lordship? Lordship, this petition is filed against the impugned judgment dated 14/11/2017, lordship. Page number 26, lordship. Thereafter, we have filed an evidence, lordship, on page 28. That is the certificate issued by the manager, Birjora Tea Estate, Bongaigaon. The certificate is given by the manager, Lordship, where it is written that from 1963 to 75, his father is working as a permanent worker, Lordship.
Where is your written statement?
Lordship, it is in page 13, Lordship.
Whether the finding of the tribunal is,
Lordship.
why the finding of the tribunal is valid?
They have provided all the documents, His Lordship, but since it was, Lordship, as they are too poor, Lordship, so they don't have much documents, Lordship, to prove their citizenship, Lordship. They have only this certificate which is issued by the manager and the voter ID, Lordship.
Not help you. Yes, Mr. Sharma. Just tell us one thing. In some of the cases that we have noticed, an employment certificate was issued by the manager of the TST, showing that the father of the proceeding was an employee of that TST during the period of that time. We have also noticed probably the proceeding was retained in custody. So subsequently, this is why we filed an application, which was rejected as it was not in proper form. That the High Court passed an order allowing the wife of the proceeding to proceed along with the mother. After obtaining signatures, she stated in her process that it doesn't have any landed property. They stay in the Bagan quarter. See her evidence. Whatever is the next day. Now, for proper finding whether the tribunal would have called anyone from the guardian authority or
Lordship,
would have called the guardian, anyone from the guardian authority or
Lordship, it is their burden, Lordship. If they have to prove this certificate, and it will be, this certificate will, should be based on the record of,
definitely.
yes, Lordship. If there is no record, Lordship, regarding this certificate, on what basis that certificate was issued, Lordship, that has to be looked into, Lordship. And Lordship,
Where is the voter list?
Page 30, Lordship, it's voter list of 2011.
Where is the voter list?
Lordship, it is
page
in
30,
page
2011
30,
voter list.
annexure 9.
If he is working since 1963 to 1975, apart from this voter list, nothing has been there, Lordship. Something has to be there, Lordship. This certificate will not meet the petition.
Every tea estate has, just like a ration card, they have a card and with the name of the family members. Because the tea estate is to provide, well, that is some rules or something, some extra fund. It depends upon the numbers of the family members. That is why the family members' name would have been there.
Lordship, and if we consider the age of the petitioner, Lordship, in this voter list, Lordship, and statement made before the tribunal is cannot.
Here the question of sympathetic consideration will not rise, as you know, this is a writ of pressure. You should have proved these materials. If you have shown him, if you have that card, then definitely there will be other materials also.
He is working in this tea estate, Lordship, since
As per the
1960.
petitioners, as per the procedure, his father was an employee of Birzora Tea Estate.
Yes, Lordship.
But where is the link document between the petitioner and his father?
Lordship, it is in voter list, Lordship,
Voter list, the name of the petitioner.
with his father, Lordship, son of Govinda Shankar.
Mr. Sharma,
Lordship.
please come to page number 28.
This is to certify that late Govinda Sarkar, son of late Pushta Sarkar, had worked in Gujarat Estate from 1963 to 19 as a permanent worker, as per records being maintained by this office. Details of his family members are as under: Rishukumar Sarkar, son of Sudha Sarkar, Ananda Sarkar, son, Nitai Sarkar, Subha Sarkar. Lordship.
First part is okay.
Yes.
First part is there, no problem. That may be recorded in the office, right?
Yes, Lordship.
But details of his family
Yes, Lordship.
is doubtful
Lordship.
unless the Prosody himself is an employee of this particular tea estate.
Lordship.
But you see one thing, since the alleged father of the petitioner was a permanent employee of that tea estate from 1963 to 1975, you will have EPF account, Provident Fund.
Yes, yes, Lordship.
tea estate. There they will have the nominees
Yes,
and the
Lordship.
family members.
Lordship.
If the petitioner can bring some
Yes, yes,
from the
Lordship.
records of the by filing an additional affidavit,
Lordship, that
we
can
can
do,
take
Lordship.
upon. Otherwise, though,
No,
otherwise this
sir, Lordship.
manager cannot give any such certificate. First
Yes,
part is
Lordship.
from the record. As per the maintenance they have recorded, it's fine.
Yes,
But the second part that the procedure is the son of the late Govinda Sarkar cannot be,
Lordship.
because only from any such account book or whatever past, we do not know.
Yes,
Maybe there.
Lordship.
And we have also pointed out that normally in the tea estate there is a register, the
Lot.
family members. They are paid doles. Doles means they will be paid the charge of the fuel and something ration, their givens.
Lordship.
That is why it is recorded. But things is, if you read this part, you will see there is nothing that with regard to his family members, there is something on record.
Lord.
Only the first part, that Govinda Sharma Sahab, that is in record,
Yes, Lordship.
nothing else. If they can trace out the APF number
Yes, Lordship.
and from there,
That will
they
help,
can try.
Lordship. Yes.
Got it?
Yes,
Ms.
Lord.
Saha? Otherwise, nothing. Mother has pointed out that only that's the way, at least certain benefit, otherwise. Tell us when, will not say anything.
Lordship,
Activate file for me.
we will file additional affidavit, Lordship. And take instructions from this estate.
Some deliberation. in the matter. Ms. R. Saha, Land Council, very important. He's still in custody,
No, Lordship.
has been released from
Yes,
detention.
yes.
COVID or after COVID?
Lordship, we don't have that instruction when he was released, but
For some time, right? Yes, next.
Much obliged.
Yes, Mr. Das.
Well, it is a contested case, but the honorable foreign tribunal cannot appreciate my case. My linkage is page 34 and 30. Civil case certificate. I am illiterate person, my lord.
Yes, 34.
No formal is 34 and 30. 34. Annexure. Annexure 12. 34, 35. This is my linkage certificate. There's my father's name is Chandra Sarkar. And my Amediola. My mother's name, cell deed, my lord, 65 in the name of my father, my lord. Annexure 12. And my mother's copies of NRC voter details of 96, voter list of 96, 66, 1970, 1970, and voter icon of mother of the petitioner. Annexure 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, my lord. My lord, my father was a business person, and for the aforesaid, he was at different places of West Bengal. At the youngest, as such, the name was not entered in the voter list prior to 1970. His name appeared in the voter list 1970 and subsequent voter list along with his wife. My lord, my father was originally Gayova. After for business purpose, they used to come West Gayoko, and the petitioner has shifted to South Tokresra. West Tokresra from South Tokresra. Same port of same PS. That the petitioner stated he was born and brought up as a Annexa, page 5, para 5. There the petitioner stated that he was born and brought up at village West Tokresra, who shifted to South Tokresra. He belongs to Namasudra community, and in the support of caste certificate has been issued, which was also linked to his father. The petitioner is illiterate and has no formal education. My lord, it is not appreciated by this honorable tribunal, my lord. And it only gave opinion that it is not proved. The petitioner stated that his name appeared in the D voter, in the voter list 2010, page 36 and 37, my lord. My voter is registered. And page 48 also my name was in the written statement, 488 and 50. My name was also listed in the voter list of 2005. Sir, my lord, after having reference, I appeared before I filed a WS. WS evidence DW1, DW2 are annexed here, and annexure 14, 15, and 16. Page 38 to 45 written statement, 46 to 58 my DW1, and DW2 my elder brothers. Why not kindly see page 7, para 10. That the petitioner stated that although the petitioner explained in his written statement and deposed in his evidence due to business, the father of the petitioner was in West Bengal, and before his name was not recorded in the voter list of 96, the learned foreign tribunal did not consider the certificate copy of voter list of 1966 of his mother, Exhibit 1, and so also voter list of 1970 of his mother, Exhibit 3, although his father's name appeared in separately on as obtained in the voter list 1970 Exhibit 3, 2. The learned foreign also failed to appear in the voter list 1979 of his parents, elder brother DW2, along with his wife. On the absurd ground that the petitioner has failed to explain his relation with the another enlisted person, Nokku Sarkar, the one of elder brother of the petitioner, Exhibit 4. The learned foundation also failed to appreciate the represented cell deed, Exhibit 4, 10 to 1965, of parcels of land by his father, on absurd ground that he has not called the registering authority, government authority, to prove it, and And so also linkage certificate, exhibit 9, that is caste certificate. As such, it is a fit case where this honorable court may be pleased to interfere into the matter by setting and quashing the impugned order and declare the petitioner as a citizen, Indian citizen, and or remand the case of trial of the opportunity of the petitioner to produce additional evidence in favor of his Indian citizen. Matter input order is annexure 7, PP 9 to 63. Input order. It is my case, my lord. My lord, the petitioner was begged to state that he was not present before the learned minister when the judgment was delivered, and he has not been arrested or detained in the connection with the said case, my lord. My lord, it is appropriate before to go also to cause the setting aside the order letter 10/4/2 must pass with this learned person and conjugation as has all conjugation order. And further, be pleased to declare that the petition is a bona citizen of India, or be pleased to demand the return of this. Page 50, para 12. The petition name also enlisted in the voter list of 2005. Call for record of the case, please.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship. Here, Lordship, only link document, Lordship, caste certificate, which was not proved before the tribunal, Lordship. Here, Lordship, he has to establish his link with Juron Sarkar, Lordship. But Juron Sarkar's name is not there. He is not existed prior to 1966, Lordship, here, as per his document, Lordship. 1966 voter list, his projected mother, Lordship, Amodibala Sarkar appeared, Lordship, at the age of 25 years. Lordship, village is Posim Tokersara. After that, 1970, Lordship, Ahmedabala Sarkar. And Juron Sarkar's name appeared first time in the year of 1979, Lordship. So, Lordship, by placing 1979 voter list, Lordship, of his father, projected father, he cannot claim his citizenship, Lordship. Juron Sarkar নাম কি বলবো না 66 হ্যাঁ? And Lordship, village also different, Lordship. One is Posim Tokersara, Lordship, and Lordship 2018 voter list page 27 of village Dokkin Tokersara, Lordship.
Shifted to Sartoga, same post office.
Let the records come, Lordship, and the record is not there, Lordship.
Heard Mr. Adas counsel appearing for the petitioner.
WS also lordship is clearly stated lordship. He is the permanent resident of South Tukersara.
Now it is shifted to Sattogasa, same post office, same place. By profession wood carpenter. It is by profession wood carpenter. Carpentry.
That's also ঠিক আছে।
What is petitioner link, sir? LDB 104, G Sharma 2, 6. Yeah, 3. G Sharma 5. The reference made by the case number case number 105 ZKJ/17. SP voter reference likhche na, SP voter reference number 703/D/06. In FT case number 7. Learned member foreigners tribunal put in bracket capital Roman 2. Brief. White. The Indian opinion sex order dated 10/04/2019. Find the petitioner. To be a foreigner of post 1971 stream and falls under the category of section 2 within bracket small a of the Foreigners Act 1946. Being agreed with the same, the petitioner has filed this petition on 21/12/2019. Petitioner contended that for his linked document, his father, he placed the issued by the Office of the Deputy Commissioner on 03/02/2012. As to that the seal deed by which his father bought his land in the year 1970. also stated that the member of Wellness Tribunal such and such rejected documents and declared him to be a foreigner of 1970. Yes, Mr. Das, whether you have been taken into custody? Whether you have been taken into custody,
No, no, out of,
where you have stated?
okay, sir, post office, Golagons.
Where you have stated that you have not been taken into custody after this order of the tribunal.
Not now in the statement. Out of,
The reason taken into custody after the impugn opinion. There is such and such. We appear before the SP board and Valpura. Sorry, do we? On or before 18th.
my lord, please, my lord, to suspend the substantial operation, my lord. I will remove the case. Publish.
Before the SP board.
Publish. Taking this, for taking this.
Yes, Mr. Nath.
My lord. This matter, my lord, the contested matter, my lord. Impugned lordship find page 30. The repetition, my lord, no documents are annexed. So, my lord, I was allowed to file additional affidavit submitting the documents. Lordship,
These documents whether exhibited or not?
exhibited. From my
Link document.
additional affidavit, lordship will find page 4.
What is your link document?
Link document is, my lord, his voter list. Lordship will find page 48 of my additional affidavit. দেওয়া ছিল না? Yes, page 52 is the, my lord, voter list of the petitioner of 2005. Wherein, my lord, his name, father name has been mentioned. Serial number 72, Shahid Ali. Shahid Ali is father. And his father voter list is of 1970. 1970 voter list, you will find page 44. His father name is Shahid Ali. And grandfather name is Raham Ali. Raham, only Raham. Apart from this, my lord, his uncle is deposed and he was cross-examined and he has admitted that the father of the petitioner was Shahid Ali. Shahid Ali. So, voter list of 2013, the petitioner name appears and his father name is shown Shahid Ali. And 16 also, page 56. Petitioner name and his father name. Although voter ID is not voter ID is exhibited, my lord. Here, there also his father name was mentioned as Shahid Ali. Page 50.
Heard Mr. Resna, Clerk Council regarding for the petition. For Study Council Home Department. For the years 134. Mr. P. Sharma Gowal, Assam, for the number 2. The Study Council ACI for number 5. MSL Devi. That's it. Standing Council. Number 7 and 6 respectively. Please. By the Superintendent Police Order number. Learned member for an tribunal number 4, Kamrup within bracket R. In H.F.T. case number 1300/2015. Within bracket IMDT inquiry number 824/2022. By the impugn order / opinion dated 09/12/2019. To find the petitioner as an illegal migrant who had entered into the territory of India, some honor after 25/03/1971. Being agreed with the same, the petitioner has filed this petition on (31/01/2020). Petitioner contended earlier the learned member for an tribunal Kamrup are AFT Union bracket R case number 1589/2009/351. 29/05/2013. Judgment dated release. Appoint his brother Bakkar Ali to be an Indian citizen and not a foreigner. Indian citizen by birth and not a foreigner. But the member for an established number 4 Kamrup R did not consider that aspect. So not whether the petitioner is taken into custody or
So for my instruction, he's outside, he has not been arrested.
if not arrested, shall we return? If he is in custody or a appear before the SP board.
SP border Kamrup.
Kamrup Rural. On or before 18th.
Obliged.
I please, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Satra.
My lord, my father's name is Akin Ali, whose name is appearing in the voter list of 1960, my lord, at page number 17. In the voter list of 1971, my lord, my mother's name is also appearing as Paribano. That is at page number 19, my lord. And my lord, prior to me having served with a notice for, as foreigner, my lord, there was a notice against my eldest sister, Anwara. And that was tried, my lord. And it was in the form of LFT number 1532 of 2011 at page number 27. Your lordship will be pleased to have it. And my eldest sister was declared as a Indian, my lord, daughter of late Yaqeen Ali.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship. Lordship, yep. Lordship proceeding has to establish his link with his projected father, Ekin Ali, who is a voter in the year of 1960, Lordship. And Lordship proceeding exhibited 1960 voter list and 1970. After that, not a single voter list of his parents has been exhibited before the tribunal, Lordship. Apart from that, Lordship, to prove his link, Lordship, Gaon Panchat certificate as well as Gawra certificate was there, but he is not able to prove his by
Right,
this.
Mr. Acceptor.
Yes,
We'll get the records.
yes, Lord.
Counsel for the petition. Members LDB, Standing Lineage CDC, as well as Standing Council, State Coordinator NRC Assam, for response number 1 and 6. Mr. J. Sharma, Standing Council Home, for response number 2 and 4. Sharma, Prominent Assam for the response number 3, and Mr. A. By the Superintendent of Police Border, Lakhimpur, not Lakhimpur. Under IMDT Act 1983, Volume 1 Force. The case was initially registered. Petitioner before the Foreigners Tribunal, Lakhimpur first, not Lakhimpur. After this, declared under virus. Large member Foreigners Tribunal, Lakhimpur first, not Lakhimpur. In Lakhimpur FT first, case number 5113/2011. District number 246/2004. By the final order / opinion dated 29/06/2019. Be a foreigner who is the territory of India within bracket Assam from the specified territory of Bangladesh on or after 25/03/1971. Being active, petitioner filed this petition on 04/02/2020. Amongst others, petitioner contended that in a similar proceeding pertaining to the citizenship of her sister, Musammat Anwara, and a member for an tribunal, not Lakhimpur, in LFT, Lakhimpur Foreigners Tribunal, in bracket D case number 1532/2011. On 24/03/2014 passed the final order in which our sister has been declared to be citizen of India and not a foreigner. Stated the learned Foreigners Tribunal, first Lakhimpur, not Lakhimpur. In the impugn opinion dated 29/06/2019, did not consider the same and other relevant documents produced by her as evidence. Appear before the IO, Superintendent Police Border, Lakhimpur, on or before 18th.
My lord.
Whether the petitioner is in custody,
No, my,
have you stated so?
no, my lord, in my all earlier application, that fact I have not mentioned.
It is not stated clearly.
That might be a mistake, my lord, but that has not been.
Release on if arrest.
Resolution.
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, rather than at the time of filing, Lordship, we have not annexed the exhibited documents, Lordship. We will be allowed to file an additional affidavit.
Each of the petitioners is allowed to file additional affidavit. Annexing the Register shall lay this matter for motion only after filing such additional affidavits by each of the petitioners.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
So, Lordship, in this case, also, we have filed an additional affidavit, Lordship.
When?
It is a record, Lordship. 18/5/2023, Lordship.
When did you file, Mr. Fukan?
18th of May, Lordship.
Yes, 18th of May, let us see. Yes, you have filed.
Lordship. Here, Lordship,
Where is the link document?
Annexure A1, Lordship, page 28, it's a 1966 voter list, Lordship. Certified.
Page 28.
Lordship.
Hmm.
Here, Lordship, the name of the uncle of the petitioner appears as Tommy Raleigh, Lordship. And thereafter, in the year 1971 voter list, that is an annexure A2, page 30, Lordship. The name of father of the petitioner has appeared, Lordship. That is Amiruddin, Lordship. Then thereafter, Lordship, in the 75 also, father and uncle's name appeared in the 1975 voter list, page 32, annexure A3, Lordship. And thereafter, along with the Lordship petitioner, the name of father and the petitioner appeared in the 2005 voter list, that is annexure A5, page 36, Lordship. Amiruddin, Sophia Khatun, and Sahabuddin, Lordship.
Districts of Please take your seat, Mr.
Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Fukan, please proceed. Yes.
In 1966, Bhutanese lordship, the name of uncle of the petitioner has been appeared, lordship. Serial number 3 in the certified copy of the Bhutanese lordship and showing the village Borkurani Mouza Pokoria Lordship. In the 1971 voter list, that is Annexer A2 Lordship. Again, the father of the petitioner was appeared Lordship in the village Borkurani, Mouza Pokoria. And the house number is also same, that is 57 in the 1966 and 71, 57 Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, in the year 1975, that is Annexer A3, and here, Lordship, the name of uncle and father's name appeared, Lordship, in the same village, Borkurani, Mouza, Pokoria, Lordship. Thereafter, in the year 1985, voter list, Lordship, that is Annexer A4, Lordship, name of uncle, father, along with others have been appeared for the same village, Borkurani and Mouza, Pokoria, Lordship. And in the year 2005, the name of the petitioner has appeared along with his father, Lordship, in the same village, village Borkurani. Village is Borkurani, Lordship, and is a revenue circle has different now Mayong, Lordship. 2005 guitars lost. And in the year 2005, this is the discrepancy has learned tribunal has perhaps given weightage that two voter lists of the petition in the different constituency, Lordship. Annexer A6, Lordship, in the year 2005.
Who is this Kitab?
Kitab is the Lordship grandfather of the petitioner, Lordship. Kitab alias Kutub, Lordship. These are the executed documents, Lordship, before the tribunal, Lordship.
The certified copies. Voter list.
Certified copy, Lordship.
Where from you are saying?
Lordship, in the kind of look at 1971 voter list, Lordship, in the middle part, Lordship, in the below column, is the Tujono Pramanito Potiliki, Lordship.
Pramanito means what? True copy.
True copy, Lordship.
If it is a certified copy, with the Pramanito,
Lordship.
where is that?
That is not here, Lordship.
So, true copies, whenever you give a true copy, it will be Pramanito.
Lordship.
But if it is certified copy, with the Pramanito,
Lordship.
where is it?
So these are the documents before the Lordship taken.
Law is well settled. You cannot go beyond section 76 of the Evidence Act.
Lordship. Another thing is that, Lordship, I am appearing here as a legal aid counsel, Lordship. I could not have, Lordship, had a discussion with the Lordship petitioner, Lordship.
Okay, we'll try to get the records.
Lordship.
Mr. Arfukan, also preparing for the petition. The legal aid counsel. Also heard. Mr. Devi. The CBC. Address number 1. And as the lead counsel, state coordinator NRC for the rest number 4. So hard, Mr. Z Sharma, government advocate, sorry, standing counsel from department for the rest number 2. Yeah, lead for rest number 3. PCI. And Mr. P. Sharma, government advocate, Assam, rest number 5. Being referred by the Subendra Police Order. Furnace Tribunal number 1. Number first. Morigaon in case number F.T.C 210/2008. Its order slash opinion dated 30/12/2020. Point the petitioner to an illegal migrant who entered India on or after 25/12/1971. Being aggrieved this petition is filed on 27/02/2023. All for the records of right. Mr. Fukan, whether the proceeding is taken into custody.
I think he is outside, Lordship.
Right. Inform him to appear on or before 19th before the SP board and Morino.
Lordship. Obliged.
My lord, here in this case, my lord, by previous order, my lord, we are asked to explain the name discrepancy of grandfather. In one brutalist, 185 brutalist, grandfather's name is wrongly written. And to that extent, my lord, we got some documents, my lord. So I may be given one time to explain the same by way of affidavit.
Prayer of the council for the petitioner, Mr. Ayat Sikar. The petitioner is allowed to file additional affidavit. List of potential clarification.
Petitioner declared foreigner, list of 71, my lord. My lord, kindly come to the page 26, my lord. 26, my lord, the name of the grandfather and father of the petitioner in the land, Chita copy, my lord. Father and grandfather. Grandfather name is Fateh Alam Shah and father name is Akhtar Hussain. Land Chita. Then after, my lord, come to the page 27, my lord. Land revenue payment received, my lord. There is a name of the father and grandfather, my lord. Okay.
Some council. Some master any council from department 6. Yeah, Ali 3. P. Sharma. 5. Furnace driver of Vishwanath. PR. Was this number 1962 2017. Reference of Superintendent Police Border. JP small, then bracket capital B. Oblique 98 oblique 1037, dated 18/08/1998. Dated 30/08/2022. Find the petition. To be a foreigner, illegally entered into the territory of India. 25/1971. I'll just read the petition on. Petitioner contended that the furnace tribunal while its opinion on 30 July 2022 as a foreigner of post 25/03/1971 did not consider the evidence adduced by her mother and document of her father and the voter list of 1960.
Even on 1977, 1975.
Where you have stated outside
My
the.
lord, I stated, my lord, in the outside, my lord. বাইরে রেখে বলো।
For the SV voter.
Yes, my lord. Vishwanath, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Locker.
May I please, your lord? This is a contested case, my lord. Well, also will find the impugn opinion at page, my lord, 90. Here, my lord, the tribunal, my lord, discarded the voter list of 1966 only on the ground that, my lord, the entries of the voter list were filled up manually and the petitioner did not choose the voter list in accordance with law. And so for the voter list of 1970 is, my lord, there is a change of village, my lord. In this case, my lord, shifting is there, my lord. Shifting of residence is there, my lord. And the petitioner, my lord, adduce evidence, my lord, supporting the plea of, my lord, shifting by way of documentary evidence, my lord. That was also not considered by the tribunal, my lord. The brother of the petitioner also adduced evidence, my lord. His evidence was also, my lord, discarded, my lord, as he did not exhibited single voter list of along with the petitioner, my lord. Operative part is at, my lord, page 97.
Mr. Kilakar, counsel appearing for the petition. SLDB, CJC 1 and 5 state coordinator, AI Ali, Standing Council ECI 2. Some Standing Council Home Department State 3, 4, 7. Who's there? Government advocate is there? Yes. Government has some protest with the 6. Referred by the Superintendent Police Border Morigaon. Learned member Fairness Tribunal number 4, Morigaon, Assam. In case number F.T.C, 222/2016, within bracket, IMDT, case number 16/03. By order, by the impugn order / opinion, there is 17/08/2022. Came to the conclusion that the petitioner is an illegal migrant entered into the territory of India within Wicked Assam on or after 25/03/1971 and accordingly declared as a foreign asset 1946. Being aggrieved, petitioner filed this petition on 30/09/2023. Has the proceeded to appear before the Superintendent Police Border Morigaon on or before 18th. The proceeding is in custody.
No, my lord, he is outside now. Obliged.
Yes, Mr. Borgia.
My lord, the impugn order is at page 45, my lord. Here, my lord, the contesting case, my lord, the vital document, my lord, where, my lord, 1966, Quit India notice was served upon my parents, my lord, but that has not been, though that order was in my favor, but it was not.
Where is the link document?
Link document, my lord, voter list, I have annexed, my lord, at page 27. That is the voter list of 2009, man. Property per minute, page 47, para 8 onwards.
Heard Mr. J. R. Borgana, counsel appearing for the petitioner. And, MSLW Leonard CGC for the rest number 1. Standing council state coordinator 4. AILE 2. G. Sharma 3, 6 and 7. Which is the common respondent number 5. Being referred by the police border. Looking for, not looking for. Learning member for next tribunal. Lakhimpur FP Desk Capital Roman case number 66447. Within bracket, district number 436/2001. By its opinion, by the impugn opinion dated 21/07/2023. Appoint the petitioner to be a foreigner of post 25/03/1971 under the Foreigners Act 1946, who had illegally entered the territory of India within Bekirasama. We agree. The petitioner has filed this petition on 030/10/2023. To consider the case of the petitioner at the motion state itself. But we call for the records. Mr. Borgia, who you have stated that the proceeding is out of.
My lord, it is out, my lord. I have not been arrested. My lord.
Ask the proceeding to appear before the Subenda Police Border location of the honor before 18.
Decided by it.
In 31, I am paying an adjournment for today, my lord, because due to waterlogging, my senior could not come. Beef also not with me. My lord.
After vacation?
Yes, sir. Obligation.
Yes, Mr. Burma, what's the matter?
Please, Lordship. Lordship, there is this case, Lordship. IA 1723. The appellant number 2 died. And this is for substitution of the deceased appellant number 2. The appellant number 2, Lordship, died on 28/4/23, and this application filed on 15/6/23.
Mr. Zedeka, learned counsel appearing for the applicant. Any standing counsel revenue? Can you inform Mr. Handik or someone? Jugan Handik is there, and who else can appear? Madam, will you be appear for who?
Lordship, I am appearing for 326, Lordship.
What's your good name, ma'am?
S. Kumar,
Full name?
Satyavati Kumar.
Madam, MS. Let me go ahead and put it aside. Respondent number. Is it opposite party or respondent number?
Respondent, Lordship, 326.
Yeah, opposite parties. Opposite parties. 3 to. Why not 1?
This is for revenue, Lordship.
And you are for?
I'm for Deputy Commissioner, Circle Officer and Officer in Charge.
Okay. 326. Mr. Hendrick is available.
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent. 1, 2. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 7. And Bodile SC ready.
You will represent revenue department?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Madam.
And Bodile SC revenue 1 and 2.
N Bordole.
Yes, sir.
N stands for?
Nagaland.
Are you Nagaland? What's your good name?
I'm actually. Oh, Nivedita. but I thought,
What's your good name?
I'm sorry, Your Lordship. Nivedita.
You are Nagaland, you are everything. Good. Why, Mr. Decker, 7 is required?
Yes, Lordship, revenue board order is under 7.
That doesn't mean you have to make them a party.
Who Lordship?
Assam Board of Revenue.
He opposite party number 7. Lordship.
Is it required to make them a party?
No.
There is an order of Justice B.K. Sharma long back.
Just met party in
Mr.
the
Sharma might be aware because long back, Justice B.K. Sharma. Because in most of the cases, to come before the Red Court, right? There, why Assam Board of Revenue need not be? If an order is passed by the Central Legislative Tribunal, you will not make a Central Legislative Tribunal a party.
that is there.
Right? Same here.
In the repetition party doesn't make it.
The applicant hearing earlier preferred a writ petition being WPC number 6429/2011 being agreed in order dated 07/02/2011 passed by the chairman of passed by the Learned Assam Board of Revenue Guwahati in case number 12 RA within bracket K within bracket RBW public 2008. And the Learned Single Judge by judgment and order by order dated 29/04/2019 dismissed the same writ petition against the same. The one horror for record. Deepankar Dutta, his son. During pendency of the said deprivation of assets. Said allowed to take expired. And his legal heirs. Especially his legal heirs, including his wife. Sandra Papadeka, son Deepak Papadeka, sons and Sasank Papadeka were duly substituted by an order dated 24/06/2000. By such and such. Against which referred
which is presently pending for ratification. During pendency of the same, it appeal. The appellant number 2. The eldest son of Colorado Teka. Slash, namely the punctured, put in bracket petition number 2. NWPC number 6. Expired. On. Mr. Decker, when did he expire?
28/4/23.
As such, this application has been filed by the legal heir of said appellant Dipankar Deka, filed on 16/06/2023 by the applicants, namely Srimati Mitali Deka Chaudhary. This is the wife.
Yes, Lord.
Wife of Sri Dipankar Deka and his sons, Post of Protim Deka, as well as for son and daughter, Post of Protim Deka and Srimati Meghna Deka, for their replacement in place of Dipankar Deka. The appellant number 2. Issue notice returnable by. No
Actually, Lordship, the private respondent, it is a proceeding expert, Lordship. They have refused to accept the some notice. It is a order dated 19/4/29 is there, Lordship, in appeal.
The earlier.
Yes.
Read appeal.
Read appeal.
Here, I think so should not. Because substitution, right?
So within time, Lordship.
No, no, substitution is in time, but with the notice. Take steps. We would have, but not on basis of that. Let the notice go first. So notice as. Mr. Dekal and also appearing for the applicants. Submitted. Connected with appeal number 160/2019 is presently proceeding expertise
19/4/23 order.
partial to the order the
19/4/23.
The party number 8 plus responding number 8. The order says, in view of the affidavit for justice service filed by the appellant's counsel, services deemed to be completed on unserved respondents.
Yes. The previous order is also there, Lordship.
We will not say anything on that. Okay,
Even the report was also called for.
let's go to steps. Steps by Monday.
On the private respondents.
But it's supposed to take.
It's resolution.
Not today.
brother will leave tomorrow, brother will not be available from the next day. So if anything is regarding, we'll have the next day. Any important orders?
No, my lord.
Because if admission we are not taking up, because brother have to leave. Brother will leave tomorrow for Aizul bench.
Item number 36, may I pray, Mrs. B. Gogoi cannot come to the court due to water logging. I need adjournment after vacation, Lordship.
All will go after vacation.
Date may kindly be given. And item number 3 also,
We will not give the dates. It will.
after vacation. Item number 3 also. Not any adverse order may kindly be passed, Lordship.
No.
Oblige.
All for the orders. All these orders are there. Let's wait for after vacation. We'll have it after vacation.
Yes.
All these matters. Orders.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please, your lordship. My lord, in this case, we need some. Yeah, please, your lordship. My lord, I humbly pray for extension of time for seeking bail, lordship, because for arranging the bailer with all the required documents, it took certain time. So 15 days period was over, lordship. Already by order dated 4/8/2023, interim was provided to the petitioner, lordship.
The applicant hearing as a petition referred the connected writ petition WPC number 3861/2023 against the opinion. Orders plus opinion 2023 passed by learned member of Furnace Tribunal, Ghazali, Assam, in FT case number 817/2017, whereby the learned tribunal find the petitioner to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946, who had illegally entered into the territory of India, within bracket Assam, from the specified territory on or after 25/03/1971 without any valid document. While considering the matter in the motion states, the court, by order dated 04/08/2023, in said WPC number 3861/2023, directed the petitioner to appear before the Superintendent of Police within bracket border Borpeta within a period of 15 days from 04/08/2023. And to furnish a bail bond of rupees 5,000 with one local surety of the like amount to the satisfaction of the said authority, i.e. the SP border Borpeta. By this application, by this interlocutory application, the said petitioner, said the petitioner of WPC such and such, as applicant, prayed before the court for extension of some time for his appearance before the Superintendent of Police Border, Borpeta, in terms of the order dated 04/08/2023, passed earlier by the court in WPC number 3861. As he could not manage a bailor during the said period of 15 days from 04/08/2023. As the petitioner now is a bailor, he has filed this application on 15/09/2023, praying for extension the said period of his appearance as directed by the court earlier on 04/08/2023, WPC number 66. Now, counsel is preparing for the respondents. MSD Gross, counsel for the applicant, and MS LDB London CGC for the opposite party number 1, Mr. Z Sharma, standing counsel, Home Department, for the opposite party number 2, 6 and 7, Mr. AI Ali, standing counsel, ECI, for the opposite party number 3, 1 and 4 LDB Likisato, and Mr. A Vachaji or A Chakraborty. Your good name? Mohammed Advocate Assam for the opposite party number 5. 7, will you take or the home?
Home Department.
Let the home go. I am appearing. Now, counsels appearing for the opposite parties have no such application in granting such time for a further limited period. Considering the above, the submission made by the parties, the applicant slash the lead petitioner, the present applicant slash the lead petitioner of application number 38612023, namely Muhammad Ali, MOH, MMAD Ali, son of late Amiruddin, is directed to appear before the Superintendent of Police Border, Borpeta, in terms of the order dated 04/08/2023, first in CWPC number 3861/2023, on or before 18/10/2023 during the office hours. With the above observation, this interlocutory application stands allowed to the extent above. This order shall be read together along with the order dated 04/08/2023, passed in WPC number 3861/2023.
Deeply obliged.
Yes, my lord, for extension lordship, kindly see page 8, order is my lord. My lord has applied on 31/10/2022. My lord, certified copy was issued on 24/7/2023. My lord, after my lord, that is why lordship, we appeared along with an application, but the application was not received, saying that the time already barred. My lord, in fact, my lord, as per order, my lord, it is from the date of my lord issuance of certified copy lordship, but the Ladakh tribunal did not told that it is from the order. So from this date of certified copy lordship, my lord, issuance of certified copy, it is within 6 weeks lordship. A tribunal is, my lord, under, my lord, other idea lordship. My lord, we approached with representation, my lord, dated application dated 31/8/2023, within 6 weeks of issuance of certified copy.
Heard Mr. M. H. Amendal, counsel appearing for the petition. And for the petitioner and for the applicant. And Ms. L. Devil understanding on CGC for State Coordinator NRC, Assam for the opposite party number 4. Also heard Mr. A.I. Ali, Standing Counsel is Election Commission of India for the opposite party number 2. Mr. Z. Sharma, Government Advocate, sorry, Standing Counsel Home Department for the response number 3, opposite party number 3, 5, and 6. A.I. Ali Likita and Mr. Rahul, Government Advocate Assam for the opposite party number 7. The applicant, as a petitioner, earlier preferred a writ petition being WPC number 3003/2022-2020. Being agree with the opinion of the final order of the judgment dated 1/10/2018. One 2008 or 17/10.
Worship, this is a.
Seventeen 01/2019. Passed by London Furnace Tribunal number 1, Bongaigaon, Assam. In FT case number BNGN/FT/493/2007 arising out of within bracket reference REF Likakali R capital dot IM within bracket capital D within bracket T case number 23/05 wherein the tribunal find the applicant to be a foreigner of this stream post of 1971 under the Foreigners Law, Foreigners Act 1946. The court, after hearing the matter by its order dated 26/10/2022, remanded the said FT case number such and such to the Foreigners Tribunal number 1, Bongaigaon, directing the said tribunal to give an opportunity for his cross-examination and for final hearing of the said case, and accordingly set aside and quashed the said impugn opinion dated 17/01/2019 noted above. By the said order dated 26/10/2022, this court directed the petitioner of WPC number 3003/2020, i.e. the present applicant, to appear before the London member of Foreigners Tribunal number 1, Bongaigaon, in said FT case number such and such within a period of 6 weeks, along with the certified copy of this order, of the said order dated such and such, passed in WPC number such and such. It is stated that though the applicant, on obtaining the certified copy of the said order dated 26/10/2022, on 24/07/2023 appeared before the Furnace Tribunal number such and such and such in case number such and such, FP case number. But the land tribunal did not record the petitioner's presence as it was beyond 6 weeks from the date of the order dated such and such. Hence, this application by the applicant / the petitioner of such and such to extend the period of his appearance in terms of the order dated first in WPC number such and such. After hearing the report and considering that the petitioner is directed to appear before the Furnace Tribunal number 1 Bongaigaon in absence on or before 18/10/2023.
So some more time, my lordship, I have to communicate lordship.
Why?
My
Today
lord,
is 6th.
holiday.
No,
18.
tribunal is not on holiday on 18th.
Tomorrow, my lord, tomorrow is Saturday, Sunday, lordship.
You will get it by tomorrow itself. On or before 18th.
More 1 week, lordship, maybe allowed.
Then it will be puja week.
18 is lordship, Kati, you lordship.
On or before 17th. So
And thereafter, lordship.
it will be a puja vacation.
From
Puja
my
vacation will be a long vacation. Do not want. It's good for you at the earliest.
lordship.
On or before 19th.
Lordship.
Because 18th is particular. On or before 19th, 10/2023. Right. This order shall be together. I got to report.
All right, lordship.
The order is there.
All right.
The order is there. I will mark this. You will leave after signing this. I will be forwarding the interviewers. Mr. Pandit, we'll have it immediately after vacation. Immediately after vacation, we'll have it on. Or we can have next week also. No problem. Let us see what is there next week. The board. Have it on 12th. Well. Significance isn't.
November on 12, no?
Meter ahi jao.
More case of it.
We'll have it on 12th.
Hearing argument. Argument, judgment, hearing. Hearing. Alhamdulillah.